Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about another project that has a really good short-term potential, and this project is called the TinyCoin or the TINC token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website tinyworld.io in order to learn more about this project, right? But before you talk about Tiny World, I want to talk to you guys about Gateio. Gateio is a centralized exchange that's known for listing low market cap gem tokens way before they get listed on major centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. What this means is if you have a Gateio account and if you buy these low market cap gem tokens, you stand a chance to make 10, 20, 50 or even 100x gains on these cryptos, right? And if you don't have a Gateio account, you can use the link in the description or on the screen right now to set up your Gateio account today. And by doing this, you not only increase the chance of making some really good gains on these low market cap crypto, but you can also use some of their most popular features such as copy trading, giveaways, and NFT boxes, which further increases the profitability as well, right? And by using the link to sign up for your Gateio account, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So going back to the TinyCoin, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information present on CoinMarketCap's page for this token, along with the information present on the website itself. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is TinyCoin? Tiny World is a hot new gamified platform that combines NFTs, DeFi, and fun games to bring the best gaming experience to the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So when it comes to Tiny World, they are calling it as a hot new gamified platform which combines elements such as NFTs, DeFi, and a fun game that together bring the best gaming experience on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So right off the bat, we can see that this is a Binance Smart Chain based project which you can basically interact with in order to expose yourself to DeFi, NFTs as well as game elements as well, right? So that's how cool this project is. And you can basically collect tiny hero NFTs and stake them to earn TINC or TINC tokens and use them to play fun games like Tiny Kingdom, where you can earn by playing and trading. So what you can do is you have multiple streams of making money. So you can play this game to earn TINC tokens, which is the native token, or you can collect hero NFTs, which are NFTs that can be used to stake in the game to earn the TINC tokens, or you can sell these NFTs or trade them in the marketplace in order to earn rewards as well. So you basically trade them to make money, or you can stake them to earn TINC tokens, which will provide you with a constant source of income, right? And these TINC tokens can basically be used to play games like Tiny Kingdom, which is one of the games that they have on the platform, where you can earn by playing and trading. So this is another means by which you can earn and play simultaneously, right? Provide liquidity in our pools and earn TINC. And you can even boost LP returns by staking an NFT with LP tokens in our unique LP accelerator function. So obviously what you can do is you can provide liquidity to their pools and earn TINC tokens. So by providing liquidity, you can earn the TINC tokens, and you can also boost LPs, the liquidity provider rewards by staking NFT as well, right? So you can boost your LP rewards by staking the hero NFTs that we discussed right now, and also you can basically stake an NFT with LP tokens to get unique LP accelerator function. So these are all other functionalities that you can gain by staking your NFTs, right? Join TINC World today and start your huge play to earn adventure. So they are basically inviting people to try out their game in order to earn rewards as well as get an adventurous experience from their platform, right? So that's pretty much a quick overview that we got from CoinMarketCap's page for this token. So let's go to the website itself, which is tinyworlds.io, right? So if you see, they have a pretty children-themed background. The Tiny Worlds logo is pretty much like a Pancake Swap kind of theme, And if you see the top right corner, you can launch the app in order to actively participate in the game itself. So they're basically stating that where a fantastic journey begins, which is basically where Tiny World is, and that's pretty cool. So if you scroll below, they're providing introduction to the game itself, and if you see the tiny heroes that we were referring to are these characters here, which are kind of like anime characters, again resonating mostly with kids and children and young people. So that's kind of like the main focus of this game. And here they're providing information that we already kind of went through before, which is again, it's a blockchain game universe that combines NFT, DeFi and gaming to create a truly stunning experience for users, obviously. And if you see, you can collect over 100 tiny hero NFTs and start your epic journey. You can collect as much as 100 NFTs to start your journey. You can basically battle your way to the top of the leaderboards or enter the dungeons to realize your play to earn experience. So you can participate in multiple different campaigns. You can battle in dungeon mode. You can also just experience the play to earn experience altogether overall, and stake your tokens and awesome NFTs for a different way to earn using the platform's DeFi products. So you can stake the NFTs or even tokens to earn additional rewards using their platform, right? So you can click learn more to learn more about this project here. And if you scroll below, they have the features, which again, if you see, they haven't really shown their features, but this is probably because of the fact that this is available. This is kind of like being shown in the mobile version in my phone. But if you open it on your desktop, you can probably see some of the features in clear detail, right? So play to earn. So again, they have a P2E interface where you can use your NFT kind of like heroes to battle out enemies, and you can see tiny farm. They have a farming mechanism as well. So enjoy opening mystery boxes under a transparent and fair mechanism. That's the main focus. Yield accelerator makes gamify much more profitable. NFT yield farming enables frictionless flow of NFT in the DeFi world. Liquidity mining accelerator with your NFTs. NFT marketplace enables free trade of NFT assets. So these are all the features that are available on this platform, right? You can click on learn more button here and learn more about this project. Tokenomics wise, again, this is something that we'll cover shortly. It's surprising it's not mentioned here, but again, since it's on my mobile version, I don't think it's easily visible here, but you can probably get a lot of benefits from the TINC token itself, which is the native currency. TINC acts as the currency of the game economy. It is used for rewarding players and for staking NFTs. It's also used as a governance token for decentralized governance, right? So here you have an image of the utility of their tokens and how you can use them. So the game universe basically includes Tiny Kingdom and Tiny Dungeon. So these are the two main games which you can access using the TINC tokens. And if you see, they have investors from different crypto backgrounds. And if you see Hashkey, SNZ, Skyline Capital, Everest Ventures Group, TP or Token Pocket, Sipholio, Foresight Ventures, Cocos, Blockchain Expedition, Young, JDAC, Blockchain Native Source, and TinyWorld. So these are all some of the partners and investors of this project. And if you scroll further below, you get the social media information, which you can use to become a part of their community, right? So it's a pretty straightforward website. A lot of information is missing from the website because I'm using it on the mobile version. But if you want to get through to the core information about this project, please go to their website on your browser, on your laptop or desktop, where you can easily see how you can, how this platform works and what are the more versatile utilities of this token itself, right? So now going back to the CoinMarketCap page for this token, if you see, the token is ranked 3044th by market cap on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently traded at $1.04 at the time I'm making this video, with a 0.31% decrease in the past 24 hours. Again, it's not a big decrease, but it's still a slight decrease nonetheless. If you scroll further below, the market cap information is not really available, which shows that this token is quite early and there's not a lot of information available on this project, right? Which means that this is a really, really undervalued project, which is not being, which probably does not have more than $10 million in market cap, which means that it is a really good token to invest for the short term, because you can make a lot of money from this token by investing it because of its low market cap nature, right? So that's something that you need to keep an eye out for, but this is not a financial advice. And if you see, again, we can't really find other information as well. We don't really have the information about the max supply, but we do know that this token has a total supply of 7 million tokens. I assume that it may probably have somewhere between 7 to 10 million tokens as its max supply, because that explains the fact that why each token is worth $1.04, right? So the high price, usually tokens with hundreds of millions of tokens as max supply trade somewhere less than a dollar, maybe 50 cents or even less than 50 cents per token. And tokens that have a max supply of billions have a price tag of maybe 1 cent or even slightly less than 1 cent, right? The fact that this token has a dollar as its price price tag, it shows that this token has extremely low supply, which makes it a scarce token, to be honest. And if you see, the total supply kind of gives us an indication on whether this project is a scarce token, and it does seem like this token is quite scarce, even though we don't actually know the max supply and circulating supply, right? And I believe that the circulating supply is probably less than 5% of the max supply, because the token is obviously quite new and not a lot of people know about this token, right? And one of the only ways you can extract more of these tokens from the platform is by staking your hero NFTs. So that's how you can basically earn additional new tokens minted to you, which even though it will get dumped into the market for the short term, it could act as a scarce token for the long run if this project manages to do well, right? But again, that's just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. If you take a look at the charts itself, you can clearly see that the token has a really good price opportunity to buy right now because of its extremely sideways action. And in fact, I will tell you a way by which you don't even have to invest in this token to get this token. You can actually get this token for free on Binance Smart Chain. And if you wait till the end of this video, I'll tell you a method by which you can earn free TINC tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, right? But if you see, for now, the price chart shows that this token has been quite volatile, obviously because of its extremely low market cap nature. The token was initially worth $1.08 as of 8th of March 2022, which was a month back. And it reached an immediate ballistic all-time highs of over $1.80 per token. And then it didn't stay there for too long, because it kind of crashed to a price, to an all-time lows of 64 cents per token as of 12th of March 2022. And then it rebounded to a price of $1.60 and then went back down. It's quite volatile, bouncing up and down. But if you see, its resistance point was obviously the $1.04 or $1.03 was the resistance point, and briefly broke below the resistance point and reached a price of less than a dollar per token, which is 92 cents as of again 8th of April 2022. And then currently it's trading at $1.04, right? It seems like this token is kind of acting like a stable coin, where the token is not really going significantly above the $1.50 mark, and it's only closely trading at $1 or $1.04 most of the time, right? Sometimes it goes below the dollar. So this project is a really good project to buy at this price point. And if you want to wait a little bit longer, you can even get this token to you can even get this token below the $1 mark, which will be a good opportunity to buy this token as well, because you're pretty much buying it from a previous all-time highs of close to $2 per token, right? So you can easily double your token, double your value by investing in this token at this price point. But at the same time, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, right? When it comes to Bitcoin comparative, obviously the Bitcoin comparative is also as volatile, but it's pretty much closely mirroring the price point of dollar comparative. The initial token price was worth 2,800 satoshis per token, but then it reached an all-time highs of 4,500 satoshis and then went down to an all-time lows of 1,500 satoshis per token. It rebounded back to 4,000 satoshis per token, was bouncing back up and down, and its resistance point was 2,500 satoshis per token. It briefly reached recently below 2,100 satoshis per token, but now it's kind of trading close to 2,500 satoshis per token, which is kind of like the resistance point, right? So if you wait a little bit longer, you can buy this token below the 2,500 satoshis per token. But if you buy this token at this price point in the Bitcoin comparative as well, you can pretty much get it from an all-time highs of 4,500 satoshis per token, which means you'll pretty much be buying it at half the discounted price of its all-time highs, right? But again, it's not a really good token to buy with Bitcoin compared to because of its extremely high volatility. And since it's a Binance Smart Chain based project, you can pretty much buy this token from Pancake Swap using BNB or BUSD instead of BTC, right? So be careful about that. I would probably suggest you to buy this token in USDT or BUSD or any other stable coins instead of the Bitcoin comparative, because Bitcoin comparative could be more volatile, right? And I don't think you'll even find a Bitcoin comparative pair on the Pancake Swap exchange on Binance Smart Chain, right? But speaking about Binance Smart Chain, as I said, you don't even need to buy this token actively. You can earn this token passively currently, and you can kind of like earn this token passively for the next 2.5 months or even 3 months. If you are watching this video immediately after its release, and I'll tell you the technique by the end of this video, right? When it comes to the markets itself, obviously this token is available on Pancake Swap as a decentralized exchange token. You can also get this token from Binance Smart Chain, and the only centralized exchange that this token is listed on is who.com, where it's traded at USDT. But I would not recommend this. I would suggest you to buy this token from Pancake Swap or Dodo exchange on Binance Smart Chain because it's cheap, quick, and easy, right? Even Gateio, which is the best exchange for buying low market cap gem tokens in the centralized crypto ecosystem, is also not has also not listed this token, but obviously they will list this token pretty soon, and they have already listed a lot of low market cap gem tokens on their exchange. So if you don't have a Gateio account today, please use the link in the description to sign up for a Gateio account, which not only gives you a really good chance of making some high gains on these cryptos, low market cryptos, but you can also get a 30% trading fee rebate whenever you make trades on Gateio, right? And by using the link to sign up for Gateio, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? When it comes to the place where you can get this token for free, I'm going to show you Pancake Swap, which is where you can get this token for free by staking cake tokens, right? So if you go to Pancake Swap syrup pool, they've recently listed TINC tokens as a syrup pool on Pancake Swap, where if you have cake tokens, which is the Pancake Swap's native token, you can stake cake tokens and you can earn TINC tokens passively at an APR of 66.23% at the time I'm making this video. And this obviously doesn't last for a whole year. It only lasts for 2.5 months to 3 months, and you can pretty much passively earn this token by staking your cake tokens, and this will give you an opportunity to do some in-depth research while you're earning TINC tokens for free, right? And if you do want to buy this token after you've earned this token for free, you can put some more money on Pancake Swap and buy this token before exchanges such as Gateio, Binance, or even Coinbase list this token. But again, if you don't want to buy this token after your research, you can still earn TINC tokens passively, which you can dump after the token goes to an all-time high, right? So Pancake Swap is the best place to earn this token for free, and you can use the cake token to earn this in their syrup pool, right? So what's my final verdict on this particular token, guys? I believe that this token is a really good short-term token. There are lots of play-to-earn games that are competing with each other, so I don't know if Tiny World will be able to sustain for the long term, but I feel like due to its strong tokenomics, its strong low market cap nature, as well as the fact that the token price chart shows that this token is in the lower end of the spectrum, this token does seem to be showing bullish sentiment for the short term, where this token can easily reach $3 to $4 per token in the next 5 to 6 months period, right? But again, that's obviously speculation, and it's a educated guess based on the information that we see so far with regards to its supply being low, its market cap also being significantly low, as well as the price of this token in its price chart is also significantly low, right? So these definitely indicate that this token can go to a new all-time high pretty soon in the next 5 to 6 months. The long-term potential, I'm not really sure, because I don't think this project will survive the competition of play-to-earn games. But if it does manage to survive and become multi-chain instead of just being on Binance Smart Chain, then it's a good thing, because you can obviously expect this token to go even further higher in price per token in the long run, right? But again, that's just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? Again, remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.